Hey everyone, we're back at the legendary Camp Nou with the latest construction progress. Radial beams are being lifted, llamas are being installed, and the roof is rising day by day. The stadium is taking shape fast. You'll see every major milestone, from structural updates to finishing touches, happening live on site. Don't miss a moment of this incredible transformation. Starting here at the corner, we can already see strong progress. This section had been paused for a couple of weeks, but now work has fully resumed. The entire lower level of llamas has now been completed, which is a big step forward. We can also see cranes in position and more llamas ready nearby, showing that the next phase is about to begin very soon. At the north goal, radial beams are being lifted with precision using cranes, while workers carefully guide each piece to align perfectly with the existing structure. Temporary supports secure the beams as teams prepare the next sections. The pace of installation is picking up, and the roof is rising day by day. Seeing these beams largely in place really highlights the impressive engineering and teamwork on site. The pace of work on the compression ring is exciting. There's still a lot to be done, but you can already imagine how impressive it will look once completed. Back on the lateral side, we can see a newly installed pillar and radial beam already in place. Workers are actively operating on the upper section using lifting platforms. We can also see large structural segments placed at both ends of the beam. This process will be repeated across all radial beams as the compression ring continues to grow. Now this is where things get exciting. In the north goal area, we're seeing activity focused on the Lama installation system. Multiple lifting platforms are working simultaneously, installing guides, supports, and anchors. This section is being prepared for the arrival of the ceramic slats very soon. You can feel the momentum building here. This area is about to come to life visually. Trucks are removing debris and unused materials, while containers filled with construction waste are being cleared out. For a project of this scale, maintaining order is crucial, and it's great to see it happening efficiently. Inside the stadium, there's plenty of activity across the second cantilever level. Multiple lifting platforms are in use, and workers are spread across different areas. Some crews are working near the third-tier seating, while others are positioned on scaffolding. Even areas that look quiet still have ongoing work happening in the background. Focusing on the pillars, we can see solid progress with the formwork. Panels have already been installed on both sides, with only the front section still pending. This shows that structural work is moving steadily forward, and these pillars are being prepared for the next construction phase. Back near the corner, we can see workers installing new supports for the lower Lama system. These will connect vertically to the main structure and hold the slats in place. Some supports are already installed, while others are being positioned. This shows that Lama installation is expanding across multiple sections. At the cafeteria diamond area, we've got great news. The door frames have now been installed, similar to what we saw earlier in the club store section. This means the next step will likely be installing the remaining glass panels. Work is also ongoing inside, even if it's not fully visible. Now over at the Tribune Terrace, there's a lot happening today. Excavators are removing chunks of concrete and debris, clearing space for the next phase. At the same time, sandwich panel installation has progressed in certain sections, while other areas are still being prepared. One of the key ongoing tasks here is the application of anti-corrosion paint on bolts and steel connections. Workers are using spray guns and brushes to coat these elements, ensuring long-term durability of the structure. This process is being carried out across multiple areas. Overall, today has been a very active day on site. From radial beams and structural work to Lama preparations and finishing details, progress is visible across multiple areas. The pace is clearly picking up again, and the next few weeks, especially with the llamas, are going to be very exciting to watch. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more daily progress from Camp Nou. That's it for today's update, guys. We'll be back tomorrow to see what new progress unfolds. Stay tuned.